The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program Reviews. Most of the people need a comfortable and refreshing sleep, but they don't always come to sleep the way we want. Sometimes they find health problems that can affect the quality of our sleep, such as the snoring. This is a disturbing noise from vibrations produced by blocked breathing during sleep. For some, it can be fair and soft tone, and in some cases, it can be rude and troublesome. It may be connected with a condition known as sleep apnea. This means a situation in which breathing can last for a while and start to sleep again. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program is a natural, easy and effective way program. And this is a program that is really useful for you. What is the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program? The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program is written by Christian Goodman. It includes a complete guide to identifying the problem and a list of optional solutions. For example, some snoring because they have a tongue problem, and others may snore due to the throat becoming blocked. There are several reasons why we snore, and the program gives a comprehensive system that can help solve this problem. How does the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program work? The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program also meets these 3 stages. In Step 1, the initial portion of the program explains the reason for snoring. Step 2, the second part shows different exercises that help to cure snoring. Exercise can take about only 3 minutes. It is easy to understand and follow. At the end, the final phase of the program involves sleep positions that can help you solve snoring problems. Depending on these correct positions, you can immediately get relief from the snoring problem. Benefits. Exercises for the tongue exercises involve the order of moving your tongue in a certain manner. All the tongue exercises help to get relief from snoring problems. Jaw exercises. Here you will learn everything about the jaw exercises you need to do. Sometimes weak jaw muscles can open the mouth during sleep, and this exercise will help to strengthen them. Throat exercises. The following section will help strengthen the throat tissue. These exercises will certainly make them stronger than ever. Exercises for the whole body. These exercises are designed to help you to understand the overall exercise and make you healthy. Breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are good for relaxing and decreases breathing problems. Relaxation exercises. These exercises are designed to help you relax and help to reduce your stress. Sometimes, anxiety can cause snoring. Pros. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program is available at a reasonable price. Exercise does not take much time, and the results are fast and fantastic. This program includes exercises are simple and easy to use. It also offers a step-by-step guide on how exercises are move out, and it can help you improve your sleep. This program provides a 60-day money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. Cons. It is available only online, so you need an internet connection to get it. What people are saying. Pauline. I had been threatening my snoring husband of 23 years with laser surgery, something neither of us wanted to risk, when a friend told us about your Stop Snoring exercises. Needless to say, I rushed online and got a copy. The exercises do work. They are safe, simple to practice, and proved very effective. Salim. Works like a champ. I was amazed how after just 2 days of the program, doing only 4 exercises, snoring has stopped. Since I do not snore anymore, I even forget to do it every day. Thank you so much. Conclusion. Finally, the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program highly recommends for people who have a snoring problem. It can really helps you to stop all the embarrassments you face every day for your snoring problems. Every day you have to do 7 exercises lasting about 21 minutes. It does not need any heavy workouts or any expensive types of equipment. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program provides a 60 days money-back guarantee for customer satisfaction. Without any fear, you can buy this product. This is the right time to solve your snoring problem. Read more the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea Exercise Program reviews. Please click link in description below.